Welcome to our woodworking haven, where creativity knows no bounds. In our immersive course, beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike come together to explore the art of woodworking. Under the guidance of experienced craftsmen, you'll master essential skills and techniques as you bring your woodworking projects to life. Our spacious workshop is equipped with everything you need to unleash your creativity and craftsmanship. Receive personal guidance every step of the way and watch as your creations take shape before your eyes. Join us today and let's craft something extraordinary together.